Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to properly make a potent rosemary oil for good hair treatment. And then you're also going to see how to properly apply it on your hair so that you can reap the full benefits of rosemary oil. Now, studies have shown that rosemary oil can promote hair growth. So, if you're suffering from hair loss, maybe due to aging or due to gene, it could be natural cause, or sometimes you inherit a kind of hair that falls off with time. Rosemary oil can help you deal with that. It helps slow down the process of hair loss. It helps to ensure that your hair remains strong and healthy. So in the long run, it promotes hair growth. Now it also nourishes the scalp. The rosemary oil, the benefits of contained in rosemary oil helps to keep your scalp healthy, because if you don't have a healthy scalp, there is no way you're going to have a healthy hair. So with time, your hair is going to fall off. So rosemary oil helps to ensure that your scalp remains healthy and in good condition. So it helps to repair damaged scalp and prevent irritations of all kind on the scalp. So it helps to promote hair growth in the long run. Now it also helps to fight hair loss. Now studies have also shown that rosemary oil, when you apply it on your scalp, it helps to fight hair loss, and which can happen due to some factors. So it could be environmentally based or due to bad food habits. So rosemary oil helps to stop those swelling in the scalp, which can lead to hair loss. So it helps to keep your hair healthy and promote hair growth. Now, before we proceed, you want to, if you are used to watching my video, you will know by now that I always encourage us to have a clean container or jar so that you can use for arrangement. So for the sake of this video, I'll be using a teaspoon or a spoon of rosemary leaf, because that is our major ingredient to produce the rosemary oil. So after pouring it in the container or jar, it could be a glass jar or a plastic jar, you now want to add some olive oil to your regimen. Now, in creating the rosemary oil, don't get me wrong, you will need any of the essential oils like the olive oil, like what you can see on the screen. You can also use coconut oil or any other oil of your choice that best works for you. Now, olive oil, the reason why I'm using it in this video is because it has the ability to condition dry hair. You understand? Olive oil has the ability to strengthen hair follicles. It also has the ability to repair damaged hair. In fact, it helps keeps your hair in a manageable state or situation. This results in stronger hair and lesser hair fall. That is the benefits that comes with using olive oil. So that is why I'm using it in this video, and that is why maybe you can use it, or like I said, you can use any other oil of your choice. Now I'm going to add a quantity that at least covers the leaf, like let the oil be above the rosemary leaf in the container. Remember, you can create any quantity of your choice. You understand? Just make sure that you have enough rosemary leaf, you understand, and enough oil to cover the leaf. Not too much, not too small. So you cover it and wait for 24 hours. Now after 24 hours, you want to come back to at least 24 hours. If you want, you can leave it for 48 hours. So after 24 hours or 48 hours, as the case may be, you want to come back to the jar or where you've been preparing your hair treatment regimen. Then you want to sieve the rosemary leaf particles from the oil, because you don't want to have any of those particles left in your final hair treatment regimens. Then at the end of the day, you will be left with this. So how do you apply this? If you want to apply this on your hair, the best way to do that is to apply it on your scalp. So you can actually massage it directly into your scalp, maybe overnight, leave it overnight, or you can also mix it into your shampoo. You can also add it to your homemade shampoo, but the best method has been always been to massage it in your scalp, leave it overnight. You can wear a hairnet or shower cap, anything that is comfortable for you overnight. then so that you can wash it off in the morning. But you can actually apply it in the all day. It won't smell. It has no side effects. But guys, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with your community. Thank you.